Hi, in this video we learn some phrasal verbs with the verb take. There are lots of them, so I'll have to make just a tiny selection here. To make it more challenging for you, I'll ask you to replace the verbs in red with synonymous phrasal verbs with the verb take before they appear on the screen. Okay, let's go. He had to disassemble his computer to see what was wrong and then put it back together again. This word, disassemble, may be replaced by a phrasal verb with the verb take. Now, what is the particle that should be used with take so that this phrasal verb means disassemble? Well, the solution is take apart. He had to take apart his computer to see what was wrong and then put it back together again. Okay, next we have my doctor told me to stop using the new medicine. Now, to tell someone to stop using something may be replaced by a phrasal verb with the verb take. And now what is the particle? Okay, the answer is take off. Take someone off something. My doctor took me off the new medicine. Okay, next we have my boss decided to employ his wife as his secretary. Employ may be replaced by a phrasal verb with take. In particular, this is take on. My boss decided to take his wife on as his secretary. Okay? Then we have deceive. They were deceived by a man who said he was collecting money for a charity. Deceive equals take what? What is the particle? And the answer is take in. They were taken in by a man who said he was collecting money for a charity. Next. She's a busy person, and I don't think she has time to undertake any new responsibilities right now. Undertake. Undertake equals take what? What is the missing particle? And the answer is take on. She's a busy person, and I don't think she has time to take on any new responsibilities right now. Okay. Next. He resembles his father in height and build. Resemble. What phrasal verb can be used with take to mean resemble? The answer is take after. He takes after his father in height and build. Next, fortunately, I managed to write down the phone number on the newspaper I was just reading. Write down equals take what? Well, the answer is take down. Fortunately, I managed to take down the phone number on the newspaper I was just reading. Next, he got to like her as soon as she first smiled at him. Now, get to like someone can be replaced by a phrasal verb with take. Take plus what particle? The answer is to. Take to. He took to her as soon as she first smiled at him. Next, since he has gained control over the factory, sales have more than doubled. Gain control over something equals take something. Now, what is the missing particle? Well, the answer is take over. Since he has taken over the factory, sales have more than doubled. Next, the Wilsons let him stay in their house for the summer. Let someone stay in your house equals take someone. Now, what is the missing particle? In. Take someone in. The Wilsons took him in for the summer. Next, it was impossible to understand all this data right away. Understand equals take what? And the missing particle is in. it was impossible to take all this data in right away. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.